If you're exploring digital whiteboard tools for brainstorming, planning, or visual collaboration, you've probably come across Miro and Boardmix. Both tools are powerful and share similar goals to help teams visualize ideas, but they differ in depth, flexibility, and overall experience. Let's break down how they compare so you can decide which one fits your workflow best. Boardmix is a newer online whiteboard platform that focuses on simplicity and speed. It offers an intuitive interface where users can easily create mind maps, flowcharts, and diagrams. What makes it interesting is its built-in AI assistant that helps generate ideas, organize content, or automatically structure diagrams for you. It's perfect for users who want a straightforward workspace with modern tools like sticky notes, connectors, drawing tools, and templates, all without a steep learning curve. Boardmix is great for smaller teams, educators, or solo professionals who want a quick and easy visual collaboration experience without complex setup or integrations. Miro, on the other hand, is a more mature and feature-rich platform built for larger-scale collaboration. It provides an infinite canvas, hundreds of templates, and advanced tools for brainstorming, project planning, agile workflows, UX design, and more. Miro is designed to handle everything from simple idea mapping to enterprise-level collaboration. It integrates with popular productivity tools like Google Workspace, Slack, Notion, and Jira, making it ideal for businesses that rely on multiple apps to stay connected. While Miro can feel a bit overwhelming at first, its flexibility and power make it a long-term solution for structured, team-based workflows. When it comes to ease of use, Boardmix takes the lead for beginners. Its interface feels lightweight, modern, and quick to navigate, so you can jump right in and start collaborating without tutorials. Miro, meanwhile, offers much more depth, but that means a slightly steeper learning curve. If your goal is to simply brainstorm or visualize concepts, Boardmix offers speed and simplicity. If you want to manage full projects, workshops, or team boards, Miro is the better fit. In terms of collaboration, both platforms allow multiple users to edit in real time. However, Miro shines when it comes to scaling teamwork. It supports advanced permissions, voting systems, timers for workshops, and integrations for seamless communication between departments. Boardmix also performs well for live collaboration, but it's better suited for smaller teams or lightweight projects where you don't need enterprise-level coordination. Finally, let's talk about pricing and value. Boardmix offers generous free options and affordable paid plans, making it accessible for freelancers, educators, and small teams. Miro also has a free tier, but unlocking premium templates, integrations, and team management tools can get costly for larger groups. If budget is a priority and you need the essentials, Boardmix provides excellent value. But if your focus is professional, scalable collaboration and you rely heavily on integrations, Miro is worth the investment. To sum it up, choose Boardmix if you prefer a simple, affordable, and easy-to-learn tool for brainstorming, diagramming, and visual thinking. It's ideal for quick collaboration without technical complexity. Choose Miro if you need a robust platform that supports complex workflows, integrates with your existing tools, and scales with your team's needs. Both are great in their own ways. Boardmix for simplicity and creativity, Miro for structure and collaboration.